Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best luster dust is probably one of the most exciting and visually captivating additions you can make to your beverages, transforming ordinary drinks into shimmering works of art that are sure to impress at any party or gathering. Imagine your cocktails, mocktails, or even non-alcoholic drinks sparkling with an ethereal glow, adding a touch of magic and sophistication that elevates the entire drinking experience and makes every sip a memorable occasion. Number 5. MONÉGASQUE Gold Edible Glitter 15G. Elevate your drinks and desserts with a touch of shimmering elegance. This edible glitter adds a dazzling effect to any creation. Whether you're decorating a cake or crafting a signature cocktail, this fine luster dust provides a beautiful, food-safe shimmer. Give your culinary masterpieces a luxurious finish. It's the perfect way to make any occasion feel extra special. Use it as a sprinkle or a spray for a unique visual appeal. It's ideal for cakes, drinks, and various food decorations. Make your celebrations unforgettable with this stunning edible glitter. It's a simple yet impactful way to add festive flair. Unleash your creativity and impress your guests. This shimmering powder is the secret to adding that extra wow factor. What we like? This one offers a truly opulent gold shimmer, perfect for making any drink feel luxurious. If you're aiming for a high-end, celebratory feel for special occasions like Father's Day or elegant parties, its rich color and larger quantity make it an excellent choice. What people say? It's a beautiful edible glitter that adds a lovely shimmer to drinks. The dust is very fine and mixes well into liquids, creating a mesmerizing effect. A little goes a long way, providing a great sparkle for cocktails and mocktails. Number 4. Nomeca Luster Dust Edible Set, 4 colors. Elevate your baking with our edible luster dust set. These vibrant colors add a beautiful shimmer to all your sweet treats. Unleash your creativity with 4 dazzling metallic shades. Perfect for cakes, cookies, and candies, they bring a professional touch to any dessert. Crafted with food-grade ingredients, you can use them with confidence. They are safe for all your culinary creations, from fondant to drinks. Simply brush or dust onto your baked goods for an instant glamorous effect. It's the perfect way to make your desserts truly unforgettable. Whether you're decorating cakes, cookies, or chocolates, these powders provide a beautiful finish. They are also great for adding flair to beverages. Each bottle contains 3G of high-quality shimmer powder. This convenient size ensures you have just the right amount for all your decorating needs. What we like? With 4 distinct colors, this set is fantastic for adding variety to your creations. If you enjoy experimenting with different hues or need a range of options for baking and decorating various treats, these food-grade powders offer great value and versatility. What people say? The colors are vibrant and add a beautiful shimmer to cocktails. A little goes a long way, so the bottle will last for many drinks. It mixes well with both alcoholic and non-alcoholic beverages, creating a stunning visual effect. Number 3. Edible Glitter for Cocktails and Baking. Add a touch of magic to your cocktails with our edible glitter. It's perfect for making your drinks shimmer and shine. Choose from 10 dazzling colors to match any occasion or theme. These edible dusts bring life to any beverage. Our glitter is food grade and safe for consumption. You can use it with confidence on all your favorite drinks and treats. Don't limit the sparkle to drinks. This edible dust is also fantastic for decorating cakes, cupcakes, cookies, and candies. Make your Easter treats extra special with these vibrant colors. They're also ideal for birthdays, holidays, and everyday celebrations. Simply dust it over your creations for an instant glamorous effect. It's an easy way to elevate your culinary designs. What we like? This option boasts an impressive 10 colors, providing endless creative possibilities. If you're looking for a broad spectrum of shades for themed events like Easter or want to add sparkle to everything from cakes to strawberries, this set is ideal for diverse decorating needs. What people say? The dust is very fine and shimmery, creating a beautiful swirling effect in drinks. A little goes a long way, providing excellent value and coverage. It's easy to use, simply add a pinch to your beverage for instant sparkle. Number 2. Bakerpan Pearl Luster Dust Edible. Add a touch of magic to your desserts and drinks. This edible glitter provides an intense white shimmer. Crafted with care in the USA, our luster dust is completely edible. It's perfect for decorating cakes, cookies, chocolates, and candies. Elevate your cocktails and beverages with a dazzling pearlescent finish. A little goes a long way to make your drinks unforgettable. Achieve a brilliant, intense white sparkle that stands out. It's the ideal way to make your edible creations truly shine. Trust Bakerpan for high-quality edible decorating supplies. This 4-gram container offers plenty of shimmer for all your baking needs. What we like? Its intense white shimmer provides a sophisticated, pearlescent finish that stands out. If you desire a clean, bright sparkle for cocktails, cookies, or chocolates and prefer products made in the USA, this is a premium choice for elegant and refined desserts and drinks. What people say. The colors are vibrant and add a beautiful shimmer to cocktails. A little goes a long way, so the bottle will last for many uses. It's easy to use, just a pinch adds a magical effect to any drink. Number 1. Glitter-Faced Shimmer Edible Glitter for Drinks. Introducing edible glitter that adds a magical shimmer to any beverage. Perfect for making your drink stand out. Enjoy the visual appeal without any added calories or altering the flavor of your drink. It's pure sparkle. Each bottle contains 30 milliliters of fine luster dust, providing ample sparkle for numerous creations. A little goes a long way. Elevate your holiday cocktails, party drinks, and special event beverages. Make every occasion more festive and memorable. Crafted with quality and care right here in the USA. You can trust the ingredients and the sparkle it brings. Let your imagination run wild with these versatile edible glitters. Create stunning visual effects for all your favorite drinks. What we like? This product is perfect for those who want visual appeal without altering the taste or adding calories. If you're hosting parties or events and want a subtle, elegant sparkle for holiday cocktails or any beverage, its unflavored nature and US origin make it a clean and reliable option. What people say. This edible glitter is perfect for adding a touch of sparkle to beverages. The dust is finely milled and disperses beautifully in drinks, creating a mesmerizing effect. A little goes a long way, making this a cost-effective way to elevate cocktails and mocktails. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.